In this video we're going to talk about events and how you would add categories and tags to your events on Square. So we go to website and then down to events, and you'll see in the menu on the left hand side types, categories, tag groups and tags. So first of all, if we look at categories. Now categories are really valuable if you're going to add events that are of different kinds. Say you do concerts or you do events at different times of the year, so you might want to add categories. So for example, a category might be winter events. You can add a description to the category as well, and you can also decide to publish it now or leave it unpublished until later on, and then click add category. We can add another one, and you could call it summer events. Again, add a description or change the status and click add category. You can obviously add subcategories within your categories as well. So within winter events you might have concerts, you might have seminars, etc. So it gives you an idea how to set them up, and everybody's website will act differently, but there's lots of different ways that you can create categories for your events. You can see here that you can there's a link to delete categories if you want to change one. You can move them up or down, change the order of them. If you wanted to edit a category, just click on the name of that category here, and then you can edit the title, the URL name, the description. You can also do a wee bit of search engine optimization work for the categories. You can move them into a different parent category and again change the status and then click update. So that's probably categories in a nutshell. Then if we go to tags, if your website is quite complex and you want to, you're going to be advertising a lot of events and you want to tag the events, then you could use tag groups and tags. So an example of how you could use tag groups is you might be doing concerts by a particular artist, or you might be doing seminars that have a particular speaker and you might want to tag their name, and that's how you would do it. So to set up a tag group, you could add a tag group called speakers if you were doing lots of conferences and talks. You could add that as a tag group, and then you could start adding some tags. So just click on add tag in the right and say one of our speakers is called John Smith. You can add a little description, give a bio about John Smith, and then you can add him into that speaker's tag group and click add tag. So there's no limits to the number of tags or tag groups that you can add, but again, categories and tags are more valuable, I guess, if you're going to be adding a lot of different events. It would be overkill for a simple website that maybe you're only going to run one or two events, but valuable if you regularly run several events in the year. Thanks for watching.